Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we have a 2011 BMW 328 xDrive, and customer states they have some notifications in the dashboard. So regarding the bulb, so I'm gonna show you how you can read it and how you can find out which bulb is out in this car. So first of all, you have to go. Let me show you. Yeah, you have to go in check controls. You're gonna see that. Then you have to keep hold that BC button for a long. It's gonna show the code. It says CCID 88. That's for the front lights, because we replaced the front light with the non OEM. That's why it's throwing code, but it doesn't matter. And second one is CCID 134. It's basically rear brake light, which one is not working. So let's change it. I'll show you how to change it. So that car has that bulb out. This one has two bulb, one is there, one is there, right? Whenever you are pressing brake, they're gonna light up, but that one is out. So let's change it. First of all, just open the trunk. You don't need any tool or anything like this. You can twist it out and you can pull it out like this, and then you have a lock over there. Let me show you if you guys can see. Yeah, it's there. You can pull it down to take it out. The whole coupler, you can take it out like this. So it's already out. You can see that lock. You have to push it down to pull it out. So that's the whole circuit, and that bulb is out, and that one is working fine, but never mind, we're gonna replace both. We already got it from Amazon, and it says that's the bulb. It says 7506 Hella. So we are replacing with these ones. So to take them out, you have to just push it down, like this. Just push it down and rotate anti-clockwise, it will come out. Push it down, rotate anti-clockwise, and take it out. And to put new one back, there you go. Just give me a second. So push it down and rotate clockwise, and same thing for that. Push it down and rotate clockwise, and you can see the difference in the bulb. It's pretty black. And to put it back, so put that in like this. This bulb will go in that hole, you can see, and then you have to little bit push harder to fit them. See, you can hear the sound, and now it's pretty lock. See, it's not coming out. And then you can put that one back. And then you can rotate it clockwise by pressing down. Just push it a little bit and then rotate it. It will not come out. So yeah, we change it. So let's see in the car if we still got the code or not. That's the snow light. That's for our main light. Let's see in our controls. See, we just only have one code, that for the front light, because these are aftermarket and car is throwing code on that. But our another CCID 134 is gone. So that's how you can find out which bulb is out through this, and then you can change it by your own. It doesn't need anything, you can do it at home. Thank you guys. If you like my video, if you like my channel, please subscribe it and comment it whatever you want to know about your car. I'll try to answer your questions. Thank you so much guys.